Manipurgi Kuki Singh Center ki Makha Leigadabani ITL. Indigenous Tribal Leaders Forum ITL of the Sindhuna Chuchampura Mangarak Suba Public Consultant Angtok to Nawarip Cameron Locre. Loinana, Manipurgi Kuki State Lengaki Mahota Center ki Makha the Oina Lengak and Gadabi Highway Locre. Mifuma to the Loki War Evening Hiva ITL ki Vener Makada. Moderator Letu Hokip Amsung Hangzamana Kuya Pid and Kagro Pachero Amagi Matumina. Nasi Mifuma to the Lebna Crab Walkum Sing Abidi, Hosic Oil of Film Asida, Kuki Sing Tunglam Sat Leb, Nabedam Major Langa from a Ting Function Ba. Kuki Singbu, Tamtina Hapiba, Jersing May Tabiba Madilandum Cameron among a Tatuan, Batanatana Aramai Tangle di Makada was a low crabbling as Sigi Makada Leve Yaroi, Maramusina Kuki Sing, Delhi Degi Hakim and Layaka Davini Hibasing. Indian Gamena Indo and Maranamkeda Samal Kaba free region meant of Popogi Mai Lepa, Matamaki Matun in Matota, Mujang Junction Baloin and ITLF Law Firection, Amadi, Policy Puna Sawat Minava, Hibawarep Suloki Heidi. Masida Sunatana, suspension of operations through the Kuya Kuki, La Lupsing Manipur Namque, Kahinda Navitam Tamatang Yoxilo Davini, Doinana, Kuki, Sigi, Lengak Lizava, Union Territory Ama, Sembagi from the Hen demand of Godavini Heidi. Makhatana Polika Demansing, from Navidam Kongjing Junction, Navidam Su Group Sing, Zoo United Makada, the MLS in Kumna Kana and Nagadavani, Loinana, Kuki Sing Talibi demand a seat that then government ki Ministry of Home Affairs ki kari, Boyna Kari Kari, Philip Lebagi Haibadu, Kangdok Nava, Su Group Sing MLS Sing, Puna Kuya Pidon and Takshin Gadavani. Loinana, I could but Taptin Happy Bara by Tengoli Makada, Wasak, Lokrava, my take government, Asidi Makada, Equa MLS Sing, Asi, Leigadabani. Makoi kodi mak miyang gi apam bagi matungna tabak Tougadavani, Tangaifadrabadi, Bireng Yuching Balenga, Asida Gi, MLS Sing, Resign Tougadavani, Hina Suwari Makri Heidi.
ITLF Free Public Consultation Declaration 27 January 2024. For our future political way forward, the Mizoram government should be approached. 2. We cannot be under the government who care, destroy all church and properties, who separated us physically and demographically, and also who took an oath under the militia group Arambai Tingle. Center should directly administer us from Delhi. 3. Objection to FMR. 4. To continue any form of agitation and action as per the needs arise. 5. To support and cooperate with any plans, projects and policies made by ITLF to strengthen our movement. 6. Shu should not sign for the integrity of Manipur and stand firm with our demand for unity with legislature. 7. For our future political movement, meeting with Shu groups and our MLS should be here with the initiative of Joe United as soon as possible. 8. MHA should be questioned on the status of our political demand by joint signature of Shu, MLA and CSOs. 9. Our MLA cannot be part of the Meitei government who killed us and who took oath under the militia Arambai Tingle. They should work according to wish of the people. They should counter the Biren government in